Namaste everyone. Today you will learn the execution of if formula. So let us get started. So before going into the situation, first of all, you need to understand the format of the formula, which is written here in the yellow ribbon. Let's come here. Let me magnify. Okay. Now you can see the syntax of this formula contains three arguments. Okay. One by one, let us understand. Logical test. What do we mean by the logical test? Let us suppose we have to compare any two quantities. For suppose A greater than B, A less than B, A equals to B, A less than, A equal to less than B, A equal to greater than B. So what the if formula is going to test, any one of the logical condition or maybe the separate conditions which we will see according to the situation. And if that particular situation becomes true, then it is going to accept this one value which is written here at the second position, at the second argument. If this value becomes false, it will accept this one value which is at the third argument. Okay, now let's understand better with the help of an example. Let me delete. Okay, here I write equals to if logical test. Let me perform any logical test. Let us say 7 greater than 3. Okay. Now, if this condition becomes true, then I want answer P. As you know, the text must be written in the inverted columns. Two inverted columns. Then Q otherwise. If this condition is false, then it will print Q here. Now, as you know, this condition is true because 7 is greater than 3, but I want to check it. Let us select this much portion and you should press F9. Now you can see true is written here. As I have told you, if this logical test becomes true, then it will select this one value if it is true. That means value if it is true, this one. Now you guess the answer should be P here. Okay. Now let me execute this formula, bring it in same position, Control Z. Now you simply enter. You can see you got the answer P. The formula selects the first value because the logical test was true only. But if it was false, press F2. Let me write here 13. Now as you know, this condition is false. Select this, press F9. Now this is false. You can guess the value. It is going to print this one second value which is written here at the third position. So Control Z. Now enter. You can see Q answer. So that is how the if formula works on the behalf of this logical test. Now let us come to the situation and try to execute here. Now you can see I have created a table. Here it is written credit A, B, C or D respectively like that. And you can see this is the criteria. For A, criteria should be good and otherwise for B, C or D it should be bad. I want to print here with the help of this formula. Now let us start. If select this logical test. Now here you select this cell. I want to check if this cell value is equal to, you can say A. If it will be equal to A, then it will print good according to this criteria. Okay. Otherwise, comma, it will print bad. Fine. Close the braces. Now this formula will check every cell. on which it will be performed. Now F2 contains this value B. Now you can see B is not equal to A. The answer is going to be bad. Let us check it out. Select this much portion. We can see by pressing F9. Now it is false. We know we are going to get bad according to this criteria. So bring it in the same position and you can enter. So here is the answer. Now double click. You can see the answer. For A, the answer is coming good, and otherwise the answer is coming bad. Now if you want to check the execution of the formula anywhere, let us say here, why it is good, press F2. You can see it is checking F4 value, whether it is equal to A. Now this contains A equal to A, that means true. So that's why it is selecting good value according to this syntax. You can select this and press F9. So it is true. So I hope you understood the concept. Fine. So that is how this formula operates. Now let us check one more situation. I have created one table here. Here are the salesmen and the sales made by them. Now the criteria here is that the one who performed the sales more than 1100 is going to get the bonus. That means yes. Sorry, it is yes. Otherwise, he will not get the bonus. That means no. Now let's perform this. Now I will type here if, logical test. That means I am going to check every sale. If it is greater than 1100 according to the situation given here, let me move here, then I want bonus should be given to him, that is yes. Otherwise, no bonus must be given if the sales are less than 1100. So you can see now, you can see no, because the sales are here in this condition less than 1100. Now you can drag the formula or double click. So here you go. You can see 1201 and he will get the bonus definitely. So like that. I hope you understood the basic concept of if formula. If you do liked my video, then subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. We will learn each and every concept step by step. Thanks for watching the video.